Vineyard Industry Products proudly brings you the highest quality bird netting on the market. Our netting is made of high-density polyethylene monofilament yarn that is knitted into a durable open mesh fabric. Forget about hard-to-handle rolls and spools. Our netting is shipped in reusable bags, made 25% larger than the original pack to accommodate the bulk of recovered netting. Drawstrings sewn into the bag fit snugly around the loop retainer on the applicator to hold it in place during installation. Just open the bag and remove the end of the netting, which is clearly marked at the top. VIP's netting comes in a standard width of 17 feet to ensure sufficient coverage. Custom widths and colors 2 feet to 100 feet wide are also available on pre-season orders. A standard hole size of 3/4 inch square keeps even the smallest birds away from your crop. Overstretching the netting lengthwise or widthwise will alter the true dimension. Vineyard Industry Products Company offers a cryptic hunter green color that is aesthetically pleasing. A highly visible center stripe is provided to aid positioning during application. The fabric edge, or salve edge, is also marked with a stripe, making it easy for workers doing the stretching to find and grab an edge. Vineyard Industry Products Company has UV stabilized the bird netting to ensure many seasons of use. Applying and retracting bird netting is simple using VIP's Applicator platform. Our applicator has no hydraulic parts, so you don't have to worry about costly maintenance or repair. The VIP applicator is the most affordable on the market. The applicator arrives at your vineyard ready to use in minutes. Lightweight and maneuverable, our platform works great on just about any tractor and the toughest topography. It even fits down 6-foot row spacing without any alterations. Depending upon your row spacing and topography, an acre of netting can be quickly installed in 20 to 40 minutes. One, attach the adjustable boom to the vertical mast using the bolt and nut provided. The adjustable boom ring should be on the same side as the bag of netting, centered over the canopy. Push the bolt through the hole that corresponds to your row spacing. Tighten the nut. 2. Adjusting the length of chain fastened to the hook can change the pitch of the boom. Decrease, lower the boom pitch to apply netting, or increase, raise the pitch to retract. 3. Center the bag of net under the retainer loop. Open the bag and spread it over the loop. Tighten the drawstrings to secure. Tighten the bolt to secure the retainer loop to the vertical mast. 4. Feed the end of the net through the vertical mast ring, then through the adjustable boom ring. 5. Attach the applicator to the tractor using a 3-point hitch. 6. Tie the netting to the end post, and the forward motion of the tractor will pull it out of the bag. 7. Do not pull the netting tight. The net should be draped over the canopy loosely, without tension. Overstretching the net will decrease the width of the panel, and in extreme cases can damage the net. Damage to bird netting can be caused by vineyard trellising. Insufficient canopy vigor or growth will expose sharp notches or edges on vineyard stakes. Placing plastic cups over all vineyard stakes helps prevent snags or tears. 8. The highly visible center stripe is used by the tractor driver and net spreaders to evenly position the net over the row. 4 people are required to apply the netting: 1 tractor driver, 1 person controlling the tension of the netting as it leaves the bag, and 2 people spreading the netting on either side of the canopy. The bird netting should either touch the ground on both sides or be fastened underneath the canopy for a complete enclosure. Our netting can be applied in a continuous fashion. No need to cut and mark individual row lengths. VIP's bird netting can be applied across the drive row and back up the other side. When the netting runs out, simply overlap the net and keep going. To retract the netting, simply reverse the application process. 1. Pull the end of the netting first through the adjustable boom ring, and then down through the vertical master ring. 2. Set the adjustable boom up at a steep angle. Netting is removed most efficiently by lifting it vertically off the canopy. 3. Start driving forward while pulling the net back into the bag. 4. Rotate your crew to reduce fatigue and increase efficiency. Growers should handle the netting using the following guidelines to maximize the useful life of netting. 1. Always retract and properly store netting before or just after harvest. Never leave the netting in the field. 2. Storing the bags of netting on the ground covered with tarps will shorten the life of the net. 3. Netting should be stored in a dry, ventilated shed. 4. Do not store with sulfur, fertilizer, or other chemicals. If you have any questions or need additional information, please contact your local VIP sale representative. Thanks for watching.